overanalyzing it too much. I'm overanalyzing it.
Okay, repeat the riddle. It's for the recording, Jen. Go ahead, repeat the riddle. Repeat it. Come on.
Did you get it?
No, you don't. You really don't.
Did you get it, Oscar?
Go ahead, repeat it.
No, I didn't get it the first time.
It is. There are 30 cows. What is it?
28 chickens.
28 chickens.
How many didn't?
And
No,
Right.
there's 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't? Quit hiding your face.
because I look horrible. I don't know, man. That's a fucking stone. I don't know. Fuck that shit. Fucking stone.
You know what? That's the kind of question you have to ask someone when they're fucking stoned.
Okay, repeat it to yourself slowly.
There's not a
I'll say it slow for you. There are 30.
No, I know the question.
No, but I'll say it slower.
There are 30 cows.
There are 30
28
cows
chickens. How many
in a field.
How?
28 chickens.
Yeah.
How many didn't?
None, because it doesn't specify how many what didn't.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
28.
What do you think, Jen?
What's the answer?
No.
Is there an answer to it?
Yes.
Give me the answer.
Okay, I will give you the answer. 30 cows in a field, and 20 of those cows ate chicken. 28
You have to see the
chicken.
numbers blending in
How
with
many-
the
So
fucking
how many did? And 20 of the 30 didn't eat chicken. How many didn't?
Can't even comprehend. Holy shit. But off of this whole riddle thing, I have a question for you,
10
Vic.
didn't.
That's too much.
So I'll have to say,
You're making me want to